Today we're going to be installing these Simpson post bases, and we will be using the Simpson anchors, and I'm going to show you how to do this. Hi everybody, I'm Jim Dirdorf and this is Detroit DIY. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Doesn't cost you anything, make it the impulse thing you do today. I'm going to be producing a lot of great videos, and I'm going to teach everybody how to do something, and most of all, anybody can do this work. Let's get started. So I already have one installed, and if you watched my video on the foundation layout for the deck, you would see how all these strings got into place and what they do. And I just wanted to get one anchor down so I could pull some measurements. I am about a 1/16 of an inch from being perfectly square, so I'm happy with that. Pretty hard to get any better. Maybe a little bit of adjustment on the plate and I will be fine. But this is the one we're going to work on right here. The first thing we want to do is make sure that we're level. And we're not perfectly level, but we're close. And we also want to check it this way, and it's the same thing. It's not perfect, but it's close. What we're going to do is use this 4-inch grinder with this diamond wheel, and we are going to level that surface out. Now it kicks up a lot of dust, so I'm not going to bring the camera over there, but that is how I'm going to level it, and it just takes a few minutes. So let me get this leveled out and then we'll get this anchor installed. It's ground level, only took a little bit of work, not much at all. You can see it's good, and it's good. So I've got me a little mark here, and that is the center of 8 feet. 8 feet from the house, 8 feet from the other outside post. So that's where I want to center this post base. I've got the base sitting in place, and I want my adjustment to be this way, just in case it's adjustable, just in case I need to move it a little bit one way or the other to get everything level, get everything nice. So I'm just going to push it up against the string, make sure I'm centered on my 8 feet. Something like that. Now I'm going to trace the inside of that and drill my hole. So the anchor bolt is 6 inches deep, so you want to make sure that you're deep enough for that anchor bolt. And as you can see, I need to go a little deeper because that is the top of the pile of the dust. You can also put a flag on here at 7 inches or so if you'd like to do that with a piece of tape, and that would let you know when you're there. So I am now more than deep enough. Unfortunately, this is the biggest ratchet I brought with me, but it seems to work. Just gotta work at it a little bit. And I did put a 1/2 inch galvanized flat washer on there. And they go in pretty easy. And they're rated nice and strong. It seems as though the threads get wider as you go. It'll get a little tougher at the end. Feel like I got butterfingers today. That's all there is to it. That is locked down nice and tight. So these are where you put your hanger nails to attach your post. I'm going to get a post set in and get it leveled, and we'll show you how to do that also. A little bonus. I'm going to get this corner post set into place, and I'm going to get some temporary bracing on it. So they're pretty good about staying in place. I'm going to put this post level on it, and then I'm going to get it braced. There it is. I'm going to get one more brace on it on this other side, and then I am going to pull a string. So we're good there, and we are good there. So I'll get one more brace on it, and then I am going to pull a string from the ledger board to this with a line level on it and get me a mark on there so I know where it needs to be cut. I've got the post cut to length, and now I'm going to notch it out so that my 2x10 can sit right on that ledge. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. I need to go through here with my Sawzall and get that piece off, and then this is ready to install. I got 2 posts, 1 joist. It's looking good. I got it braced up real nice. It's not going anywhere. And I'll tell you what, that's going to wrap this up. Not only did we install a post base, we got some posts and we got a joist. I'd like to thank you for watching. Click on one of these 2 videos right here if you enjoyed yourself. And I'd like to give a special thanks to Tony Iaconelli and Brett Wimmer, for none of this could happen without them.